what's under the rock face. Actually, what's under the rock face ivy at Cadoxton. We're at the site of a quarry sign that marked the quarrying of this landscape in Cadoxton. So I'm going to get my assistant to try and move some of this ivy, if you may. So go on, move that, see what's underneath, see some of the secrets. Go on, hang on, multitasking, go on, get that under there. And amazing enough, there's some more writing above. And if I shine the torch up there, this is awkward. If I shine the torch up there, there's actually you've actually got the word Cadoxton written there. Can't really see it. So what we're going to do, we're going to come back on a much better day. There's a whole sign up there, and we're going to see if we can read more. You can obviously see all the letters here. And if you look over there, that actually says Barry. But we don't know anything more at this stage, so we're going to have to come back here and try and understand more. Thank you.